A very warm welcome, dear learners. Let us start exercise 5.2, which is based on addition of monomials. Throughout the exercise, we need to add. Question number 1 is, you need to add A, 2A, 3A. So when we are going to add them, we will write them with addition sign. Now you can see all the three monomials और all the three terms are like terms. इनका variable part same है, इसलिए ये like terms हैं. And this is the only condition to add polynomials. So since the terms are like terms, हम इन terms में से variable part common निकाल रहे हैं. बाकी का coefficient, numerical coefficient part as it is रहेगा. So when from A will be taken as common, you will be left with 1. From 2A, when A will be taken as common, you will be left with 2. From 3A, when A will be taken as common, you will be left with plus 3. So you got the numbers as 1 plus 2 plus 3 in bracket and multiplied by A. On addition, you'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3 as 6. 6 into A will give you 6A. Moving on to question number 2, add 2x, 3x and 5x. Adding these terms by putting a plus sign in between them. As the terms are like terms, taking x as common, you will have 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5. So on adding these, you will have 10 as the answer. 10 into x will give you 10x. Question number 3, add 2y, 3y and y. So I have written the same polynomials with positive sign or with addition sign in between them. As the terms are like terms, taking y variable part as common, you will be left with 2 plus 3 and plus 1. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 will give you 6. 6 into y will give you 6y. Question number 4, add minus 3x square and 2x square. देखिए वेरिएबल पार्ट x स्क्वायर है दोनों में, तो लाइक टर्म्स हुए. दोनों के बीच में एडिशन का साइन लगा के हम सॉल्व करेंगे. टेकिंग x स्क्वायर एज कॉमन, you will be left with minus 3 plus 2. Minus plus will give you minus. That means you need to perform subtraction. So 3 minus 2 will give you 1. Sign of the greatest number will be taken. Therefore, your answer will be minus 1. Minus 1 into x square will give you minus x square. You can see I have done the addition using horizontal method. If you are comfortable with column method, then you can solve it through column method also. Question number 5, add 4x, minus 7x, 8x. Writing all these three monomials with plus sign, you can see minus 7x है हमारे पास में, तो हमने उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखा है और उसके पहले हमने ऐड करना है, इसलिए हम प्लस का साइन लगा रहे हैं. Now you can see plus minus will give you again minus. So 4x minus 7x plus 8x. Now since the terms are like terms, taking the variable part x as common, you will be left with 4 minus 7 and plus 8. So integer addition और subtraction में या simplification में पहले भी मैं समझा चुकी हूँ कि पहले हम same sign वालों को add कर दें, that will make the calculation easier, and then जो different sign है उसके साथ में हम subtract कर दें. So 4 plus 8 will give you 12 plus 12 plus 12 minus 7 will give you 5. So 5 into x will give you 5x. Question number 6, add minus 3xy and xy. Writing both the terms with a plus sign in between. Since both the terms are like terms, taking xy as common, you will be left with minus 3 plus 1. जब वेरिएबल पार्ट के आगे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट 1 होता है. So minus plus will give you minus. 3 minus 1 will be 2 and the sign of the greater number will be taken. So minus 2 will be your answer. Minus 2 into xy will give you minus 2xy. Take question number 7 as your homework. It is similar as question number 6. Question number 8, add 9x square y and 7x square y. Writing both the monomials with a plus sign. Since the terms are like terms, taking the variable part x square y as common, you will be left with 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 will give you 16. 16 into x square y. 16 into x square y will be 16x square y. Try to solve question number 9, 10 and 11. As you can see, when I will be replacing them with a positive sign, terms are common. For question number 9, you will have minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 plus minus will be minus. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So you will be left with 2xy square. For question number 10, 5 plus 3 will give you 8. Variable parts are same, therefore we will perform addition. You will have 8a square b square. For question number 11, you will have minus 9 plus 10. Variable parts same hai. So minus 9 plus 10 or 10 minus 9 will give you 1. 1 into xy. Question number 12, add 3ab, 14ab, minus 4ab. हमने तीनों मोनोमियल्स को प्लस की साइन के साथ में लिखा है. सिंस थर्ड वाला मोनोमियल नेगेटिव था इसलिए हमने इसे ब्रैकेट में लिखा. प्लस माइनस विल गिव यू minus 4ab. All the three monomials are like terms, therefore taking ab as common, you will be left with 3 plus 14 minus 4. 3 plus 14 minus 4. Again adding the numbers with same sign. 14 plus 3 will give you 17. Subtracting it from 4, you will have 13. So 13 into AB, that will be 13AB. Try to solve question number 13 and 14 yourself. Question number 15. Add 15xy minus 6xy minus 3xy, 4xy. We have written all the four monomials with an addition sign. Negative monomials को हमने bracket में लिखा है. In the next step, we will first solve these signs or brackets. Plus minus will become minus. Again, plus minus will become minus. Now, all the four terms are like terms. xy is the common variable part. So we will be left with numerical coefficients 15 minus 6 minus 3 plus 4. 15 minus 6 minus 3 plus 4. On solving them, हम पहले same signs वालों को add करें. 15 plus 4 will give you 19. Again 6 minus 6 minus 3 ये add होंगे. Minus minus will become plus. इसलिए same sign वालों को हम add करेंगे. 6 plus 3 will give you 9 and the sign will be taken as negative. Now 19 minus 9 will give you 10. So 10 into xy will be 10xy. Question number 16. 7ab, add 7ab, minus 4ab, minus ab. Again, we have rewritten the terms with a plus sign. Opening up the brackets, plus minus will become minus. Again, plus minus will become minus. Terms are like terms. Taking ab, variable part as common, we will be left with 7 minus 4 minus 1. So 7 -4 -1 will give you -5. सेम साइन के हैं इसलिए ऐड होंगे और जो साइन है वही साइन यहाँ पर लिखाएगा -5. So 7 - 5 will give you 2. 2 into AB will give you 2AB. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.